How are you, everyone? This is Seth from PageMaker, and today I'd like to show you the new skincare template that we just released. It's public, it's available, and to find it, you just have to go to your template library. So we wanted to keep it very minimal and very simple. All about the product, clear text, and nothing too busy. So you'll notice there's a lot of white space and a lot of minimal elements. In our experience as an agency before becoming a SaaS company, simplicity wins in terms of conversion rates. So if you're selling a skincare product and a product that has to do with beauty and aesthetics, definitely jump on this landing page. And if you're really good, you can repurpose it for anything. As you know, we have many modules that you can add to the page. Over 150, constantly adding new ones every single day. You can add the modules with a single click, change colors, change text, and that's how you can make this landing page into anything you like. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and we look forward to welcoming you on our platform. Have a great day. Thank you.